get started with shapes, find the shape icon in the main toolbar. When you click on it, it's going to activate the rectangle tool and 3 dots are going to appear. These are just quick changes so you can switch between rectangle, circle, and triangle. Touch the shape tool again and it will actually open the shape menu, giving you more choices of shapes to switch between. So it's touch it once to activate it, touch it again to open up the menu. At the top, you're going to see different colors that you can choose for your shape, just like the pen tool. Or you can click the plus icon on the right side of the colors. This will open up the advanced color menu. So you can choose more advanced colors, choose your color, and then choose OK to activate that color. The slider on the top is line thickness, and the slider on the bottom is transparency. Let's choose a triangle, and we'll change the color to blue to draw our first shape. Notice that the shape tool icon will change based on what shape I have activated. To draw the triangle, we just need to touch and drag or click and drag on the canvas. The further you drag, the bigger the shape, or the more narrow, or the less, the smaller. When you let go, the shape is placed on the canvas. Now, if we want to draw another shape, what we need to do is go back to our shape tool, click on it again, and then that will open up the shape menu. We can draw other shapes other than 2D shapes like 3D shapes. We can also draw lines. So if you want to draw arrows or straight lines, you can do that there as well. Now, if you want to move a shape after you've placed it on your canvas and manipulate it, what you need to do is you need to use the select tool. The select tool is that green arrow icon there. Once selected, we can click and drag to move the shape around. If you want to resize the shape, just click on it once or touch it once, and then drag the corners, those little triangles on the corners, to make it bigger or smaller. Now you'll notice that when you click on a shape, this menu appears next to it. This is called the adorning menu. It lets you manipulate any object, like the trash can will delete it. If you want to change the fill color of your shape, click the paint bucket, and then that will let you choose a color for the inside.